Okay, everybody, so here's the results of probably about 10 minutes of the chemical. So word to the wise, everyone. I mean, I guess there's other stronger chemicals out there, but you might want to just use a pressure washer, because if you do use a pressure washer, you get these results right here. Okay, you get these results versus these results. Like I said, this right here where she's spraying and the one in front of it right here, we left the chemical on for probably 15 minutes. And of course, all this down through here hasn't been touched at all. So pressure washer is the way to go. So you see these outlines, the outlines right here is what I did with the pressure washer. That's not chemical, that's just the outline that I did with the pressure washer before. So it does take some off. As you can see, it is a little bit lighter than up in here, and of course on down the driveway, but you're not going to get that, what I feel, 100% result versus what, 75% result, maybe 80, or I'm sorry, 75% inefficiency to 85. It's just not going to cut it right there. Okay. Hope this, yeah,
Save the bees.
What's that?
Save the bees.
Yeah, exactly. So pressure wash, everybody. Hope this helps.